Just in case they ain't get the picture the first time around.
I see you, hater. My motivator. Y'all make me greater. Yeah.
Y'all can see I got another project on the trailer getting dropped off. I know I'm always saying I ain't gonna take no more work, but it's hard. I love what I'm doing. And this here gonna be a quick job. He want me to do the, well, I'll wait till he take it off the trailer. Not the trailer, but the truck. And I'll tell you more about it because you might can't hear me right now because the truck going. Y'all can see that roof in there. Okay, we finna jump in the 89 Caprice. And I'm gonna take you around back. We're gonna get started on it, but before we get started on it, I'm gonna give you a walk around. I think we're gonna have to remove all this here on the dash first before we pull off. All this here for the roof. Let me shut this door. I want y'all to get in the comment section and let me know what motor y'all think in here before I give you a walk around. Y'all get in the comment section now and let me know what y'all think in here. We ain't got far to go. Just finna hit this alley here. We'll be right where we need to be. I'm gonna have to tighten up all these wires here, figure out what's going on. Guess what? Ooh, hit a pothole. Guess we'll pull up right here. And I'll show you what we're working with. Guess we'll leave it running. Sound good. Sound like it got a little belt squeak going on. But it's LS swap. I don't know where the squeak coming from. Let me cut it off. Hit it again. One turn. Turn key. I don't know what size motor it is. I don't know if it's 5360 or what. Nicely done. Be honest with you. Just the computer. But this is an 89 Chevy Caprice. I will be painting it. The owner, he actually hit me up on YouTube in the comment section. He said he had two Caprices that need the headliner done. Just the headliner. And that's what he actually wanted me to do. He sent me an email. I told him to send me an email, some pictures of the inside and what he need done. He had sent me some pictures. So we was communicating through email, back and forth. Then I said, okay, I accepted the job. And then he said, he wanted this one here done first. And he said, once I get it, could I recommend him a paint man? So I seen the body condition. So I said, shoot, I accept, you know. I'm finishing up on this other job that I'm doing. So that's how we got here. And he don't want the jams done. That's a plus right there. He said he was gonna flip it, you know, paint it and sell it. He got some 26-inch Forgiatos on, well, not on it, but he want me to paint also. He got to get some new tires. So I guess anybody looking to buy a box Chevy with a panoramic LS swap, it's gonna be freshly painted. He going back black with a gray pinstripe on it. Pretty sure he'll throw these wheels in. Look like got some brand new tires on it with the 26s. I gotta do some body work up here. I'll probably do that first. Let me pop the trunk, see what we got in the trunk. Yeah, a lot of folks be wondering how to get in touch with me. It's gonna be first through email, not email, but in the comment section. And if I feel like you serious now, I'll take the job. But a lot of folks be playing, wasting my time. I ain't got time to be playing. But this is what we got. We got some fresh mats here. The headliner gonna be this color gray. I gotta order it. But it seems like a nice, ain't no rust or nothing. Nice looking Caprice. Still good. It's cracked here and there, but still on there. Look like he just replaced the bumper fillers. This in here need tighten up. Another screw in it or something. I was looking, it looked like it's been painted before because I could see paint on the trim. Might have been touched up a time or two over the years, but you can see paint on the trim. But we're gonna take all that off. We're gonna take all the trim and molding. And I might take the handles off. Knowing me, I will. I be saying I ain't gonna do it, but I wind up doing it anyway. But this is it here, y'all. This is our next project. It's gonna be a quick flip. I ain't gotta take no doors or nothing off. No deck lid or the hood. Let me show you on the inside some more. I had to roll up windows. I think this is just a basic Caprice. The interior look decent as well, to be honest with you. Look like when they put the top in, some of the trim that broke some of the clips. So I'm gonna have to get some more of those. Figure that out. Let me try to get this top going. I can at least do that. That's the vent. Let's see. That's the top. I think he said this came out of a 300C. But I don't know how they got this hooked up though. It's hooked up to the interior dome light. You can see. That's not gonna work there. I don't know where you can operate your top with the door open or cut your dome lights on. Let me see, let me show you. Let me shut this door. Probably won't even work. See, ain't no action. Now let me open the door. I don't know why they did it like that, so I'm gonna have to fix that. But ain't no big deal. But y'all stay tuned. More work.
never stop. Right from the bottom to the top, from the ground up. We never stop. Right from